LA152 quick connector. Replaceable magnet, adjustable magnetic force. Sealing vent valve by grooves on the test sample. Test pressure, 0.6 bars. Test media, compressed gas. Leak testing solution for EVE blast valve. Ease of operation. Simply actuate the lever by 90° downwards to achieve pressure-tight connections. Valve cover will be opened with the help of magnet or vacuum sucker. Groove contact is made of plastic or aluminium to eliminate scratches on the test samples. Safe and reliable, self-adjustment. For test piece with high tolerance. Valve cover to be opened for air supplying with the help of magnet or vacuum sucker. Multiple sizes available, customized version on request. For various round and rectangular blast valves on battery pack.